Get ready to dive into the wild world of sneezes. Sneezing is your body's superhero move to kick out unwanted invaders. When dust or pollen tickles your nose, your brain sends a code red to your body. Your chest muscles tighten, your eyes shut down, and boom! Out comes a blast of air at up to 100 miles per hour. Microscopic droplets? Yeah, they go flying. But hey, it's not all bad. Sneezing helps keep our airways clear and healthy. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of saying, "See ya, germs, achoo!" Bless you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cool science facts.